Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang. Uh-oh.
8:44 a.m. It's been 24 hours since I've received the vaccine. Honey, where are we going?
Ikea.
Ikea?
Even though everything says it's out of stock. See if it's true.
Remember last time they didn't even want you taking pictures of the line?
Oh, yeah.
Right? Here we are at Ikea. It's not that long. Is it obvious that I'm vlogging?
Yeah.
What are we looking for?
I'm looking for
A Besta?
Besta.
The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup.
And dressers, because we're 33-year-old adults without dressers in our
Okay, so my wife has been letting me walk around with my zipper down this whole time. I always forget how big this place is. I feel like we've been walking for hours now. Right? We haven't stopped. We literally have been just trying to get to the exit, and they make it so hard for you because you're literally zigzagging through every little nook and cranny. What's going on?
You're making me push a crooked cart.
Cart narcs. Someone didn't put their cart back into the corral. Okay, for some reason we have to register in order to buy a drawer. Okay, got our stuff. That was only way too much work. Probably the most complicated trip to Ikea ever. There's a line for everything and you have to sign waivers and it's just really complicated. Thoughts on Ikea?
It was very stressful. I snapped at you twice.
Yeah?
Definitely not worth it for just getting out with one out of the 3 things that we wanted.
Oh, okay. Easier said than done. I still have all my camping gear in here. Okay, just got back from Ikea and it's lunchtime. It's 11:59. Ready to eat. Frying some cheese for this cheese boyga. Okay, I have a cheeseburger. And instead of buns, I have cheese. So my wife's wrapping my present. What are you working on?
Cleaning out this
AC? People actually want this stuff now.
Yeah.
Back in the day, people would just throw this stuff away. Where's the car?
It's on the body. I want to paint the whole thing too, so I'm just gonna get like straight out real quick and then just paint it up one color.
Okay, so you got just rolling, even the engine bay, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I got a call from Stephanie and Jim, and I guess her car broke down, and she called AAA, but they can't ride with the driver, so I'm gonna go pick them up.
Like this, and we were like, hi, are you gonna help us? Didn't say anything. Went back to his tow truck, came back, took pictures, and he said, I'm not towing this. And we were like, wait, why? What's wrong with my car? Didn't say anything. Went to his tow truck and drove off.
Was it a flatbed?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, do it. Okay. I'm gonna say diff.
No.
Differential.
No.
The drive shaft spinning. So fellow car people, just making sure we're good here, you know. I told them to smash that subscribe button. So should you guys, you know.
They were concerned for us.
Yeah, they were concerned.
They're
No.
more interested.
They saw it. Something you don't see up here very often, right?
I didn't want to deal with the fact that it's $2. Screwed.
I was trying to take it out from here. And look, it's like smashed in.
What happened?
I think my axle broke.
Okay, tight.
So, and this little bottom lip of the bumper was in the way, so I took it off.
And she's sending it to the junkyard. It's going straight to the junkyard.
I'm sending it to an auction.
It's gonna pick you apart.
I'm gonna pick your part. They're gonna give me $200 for it.
It's going to the junkyard. Yeah, that's for the tow truck. We got that cash for clunkers.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that Obama part on his back. We have a tow truck now after waiting for like 2.5 hours. We were in Mohola in the mountains. It was cold. Thanks to you. You saved us. You saved our bacon for picking us up because apparently nowadays AAA can no longer give you a ride. They give you a $20 for a lift or you have to call a friend. And our friend, our buddy Kelvin showed up. Thank you. Yeah. And to notify the viewers here, we think it's either a broken axle or a broken diff.
Okay, just got here. And Jim's already gonna jack it up. All right.
Here we go.
Tell me what you're gonna do.
Put it on first gear and see the wheel spin.
Okay, put it first. Okay. There you go, it's spinning. It's spinning backwards. Hold on, show me that back.
That's how you know it's good.
Show me the other side of it.
Oh, you gotta censor that out though.
Censor that.
Yeah. Okay, good.